Good morning, children. We are starting with the classified ad. There are two types of ad there: the classified ad and the display ad. Display ad is there for the sale, sale there. If you want to say sale the garments and all that, this is also there for the sale. But here the difference is that every word that you write it down is chargeable. Every word that you write down is chargeable. Okay, so first ad, there are 11 type of classifieds ad that we are going to do, but first ad that we are going to do is for sale. Okay, first ad that we are doing is property for sale. So we are going to write down the heading in capital. We are going to include, I'm giving you the format right now. So for sale, we are going to write down in capital letters. We are going to include the classified ad in the box that is there for the half a mark. The total classified ad is for 4 marks. Okay, so now it is there for 50 words. How many words? 50 words. Total 50 words that you have to write it down. Now it has to be written in phrases. It has to be written in phrases. No complete words are required. Okay, it has to be written in phrases. No complete sentences are required. You have to use punctuation mark like comma. You have to use punctuation mark like comma. So what all things you have to include there: number of bedrooms there, if it is if it is a house, number of bedrooms there, if it is a flat, on which floor it is, drawing cum dining room is there, garden or a lawn is there, which direction. In India it is particularly seen that the people, if they purchase the house, they generally see the direction: east location, north location. Okay, so they generally see the direction, so we have to write down this direction also. Type of kitchen, modular kitchen it is, or just the typical Indian type of kitchen it is. Nowadays they prefer for the modular kitchen. Okay, now porch it, and do you have a porch there, do you have a garage there, the store, inbuilt store is there near the kitchen or not. Corner house it is there. If there is a corner house, the people, they prefer the corner house. If it is park facing, you are going to get more money rather than the normal house. Proximity to the business, that means availability to the business is there or not. Shopping area, it is nearby the shopping area, the shops are near there or not, mall is there or not, school is there or not. If these things are there, the money that you are going to fetch for the property is going to be more. Then type and condition of the construction. Good construction is going to get much more money. You're going to fetch the more money for that house. Electricity and water supply, you're going to write down 24/7 water supply, electric and water supply. That means 24 hours and 7 days you are getting electricity and water supply. Then locality and the surrounding, it is located in a posh colony, and surroundings in a green area it is located. Contact and schedule for the site visit, whom to contact and when to visit for the site contact. Preferences, that means whom, the preference is given to whom. Executive officers or companies or the small families is given the preferences, or if it is 5 BHK, then whom is given the preference for. Contact address, whom to contact again, and the phone number, what is the phone number for the person to contact. Okay, all these things you have to write down in the format there. This is the format. Okay, now when you're going to write down the answer there, suppose the question is given there. Suppose the question is given there. You have the availability of the question is 3 BHK flat is available in Jaipur. in Vaishali West. Okay, so give a classified ad for it. It is a newly built one. Then how you're going to give? Remember one thing, do not make any drawings for that. Visual is all only. What is the difference between the classified and the display ad? Visual is required there in the display ad, and no visual is required there in the classified ad. So please avoid the visual there in the classified ad. You're not going to give the visual there in the classified ad. Okay, so how we are going to start with it? You are going to start with for sale, leave one line, east facing 3 BHK park facing with modular kitchen, east facing 3 BHK park facing with modular kitchen. What else? Located in posh colony, located in posh colony, with 24/7 all documents cleared, with all documents cleared, with all documents cleared, with all documents cleared, with what else you can write down? With the school and shops nearby is ready for sale. Full stop. Okay, available for small families. Contact ABC. Give the address here, phone number, okay, given this way. So this is how you're going to write it down. Understood? This is the way how we are going to write it down. For sale, east facing, BHK park facing, east facing, east park and east facing. This is the way you can write it down. 3 BHK east and park facing modular kitchen located in posh colony with 24/7 electric and water supply. All documents cleared, with the school and the shops nearby is ready for sale, available for the small families. Contact ABC. Give the complete address and phone number here. So this is what we are going to write it down for the what This is going to be to write it out for sale, for the property. Understood? So this is what we are going to give it for the classified ad. So this is all for the classified ad, children. If you have any problem there for the classified ad, give it to me. Call back to me.